Learn, I would like, in Hebrew.
הייתי רוצה.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey do, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today your polite superpower is, I would like, in Hebrew.
הייתי רוצה.
Smile, breathe, and get ready to order with style. Your polite power phrase. Let's make your request sound warm, clear, and classy. Say.
הייתי רוצה.
It's the go-to for polite requests. Compare. Direct, I want, equals.
אני רוצה.
More blunt, polite equals.
הייתי רוצה.
Useful add-ons. Please equals.
בבקשה.
This one, equals.
את זה.
May I have, equals.
אפשר לקבל.
To order, equals.
להזמין.
Bonus polite variant you'll hear.
אשמח למד.
I'd be happy to have. Mini dialogues you'll actually use. You speak, they smile. Let's act it out. You, hello, I would like, a small coffee.
שלום, הייתי רוצה. קפה קטן.
Barista.
בבקשה.
At the restaurant, I would like, pasta, please.
במסעדה, הייתי רוצה. פסטה, בבקשה.
In the shop, I would like, this one.
בחנות, הייתי רוצה. את זה.
On the plane, I would like, a window seat.
במטוס, הייתי רוצה. מושב ליד החלון.
Forms and feel. Pick the form that fits you, quick and easy. Masculine voice.
הייתי רוצה.
Feminine voice.
הייתי רוצה.
More polite options.
אשמח למד.
Slash.
אפשר לקבל.
Remember, direct is fine among friends.
אני רוצה.
But for staff and strangers, go with.
הייתי רוצה.
Story time and a sprinkle of humor. Let your memory feast a little. Tiny bakery in Tel Aviv. You point at a warm loaf and say.
הייתי רוצה. לחם, בבקשה.
The baker grins and wraps it up. A genie appears. Instead of 3 wishes, you practice.
הייתי רוצה. קפה ללא סוף.
Infinite coffee? Dream big. Rhyme it so it sticks. I would like to say today.
הייתי רוצה.
Cafe. Lightning drills. You've got this, do. Repeat after me. Polite bass.
הייתי רוצה.
Add please.
בבקשה.
Pointing.
את זה.
Full ask. I would like, this one, please.
הייתי רוצה. את זה, בבקשה.
Travel ask. I would like, a glass of water, please.
הייתי רוצה. כוס מים, בבקשה.
Verb you'll hear when ordering.
להזמין.
To order. Culture tip. Stay polite, stay clear, stay you. In Israeli cafes and markets, directness is normal, but politeness wins smiles. Start with.
הייתי רוצה.
Add.
בבקשה.
End point.
את זה.
Friendly, efficient, very local. Quick quiz. Test time, fast and fun. Say your answers out loud. Q1. How do you politely say, I would like, in Hebrew? A.
הייתי רוצה.
Q2. Choose the polite phrase.
אני צריך.
Slash.
הייתי רוצה.
Slash.
אני אוהב.
A.
הייתי רוצה.
Q3. Say, may I have, in Hebrew. A.
אפשר לקבל.
Q4. Fill in, underscore.
את זה. בבקשה.
A.
הייתי רוצה.
Challenge and goodbye. One last push, do, make it real today. Challenge. In your next cafe moment, start with.
הייתי רוצה.
Then add one add-on like.
את זה.
Or.
בבקשה.
Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Practice daily, stay curious, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, games, and podcasts. You've got this, Toda.